Question number 4 is that write a negative integer and a positive integer. Okay, previous question both the integers should have negative. This time we have to give a condition that write a negative integer and a positive integer. This time one should be negative and another should be positive. Whose sum, this time sum is, should show the sum, and that answer should come minus 15. Just see what I am doing. Say if a is equal to 35 minus 35 and b is equal to plus 20. See that what happens. Okay, sum minus 35 plus 20. Which rule will be applied for sum? For sum of two integers means sum we have taken. Okay, and for sum we have taken this sign, plus sign. Okay, now just see which rule of integers will be applied. See that I am making arrow so that you may understand. Strictly follow on these ones, these steps. Two opposite sign numbers are always subtracted with greater value sign in the resultant. See that 35 minus 20, what it will come? 15 obviously, and greater value having what sign? Minus 15. In this way we reach finally to the answer. Okay, in this way we can do the question. And what will be your homework? You just practice these questions more and more and search the answer apart from these. Not these answers I have searched. In this way any means other numbers you will select, that so that if you will take their sum, then the final answer what should come? 15 should come. So many more infinite numbers of answers you can search. For your personal practice you can search in this way. Now I am moving to the next question, and what is that? Question number 5th. One question I am leaving for your homework so that you may search the answer for this question. Write a negative integer and a positive integer whose difference is minus 40. Okay, I have searched this question. Question number 4. Question number 5th will be your homework. You will search this answer yourself. Okay, now then we are moving to the question number 6. See that question number 6. What is this? Find the additive inverse of. Okay, find the additive inverse of. Numbers are given to us minus 83, 245. It means it having plus sign. 20 plus 20 minus 1005 or minus 145. In previous class I taught you that additive inverse of any number will be always same value number of opposite sign, means same numerals will come but they should have opposite sign. Like that I am writing additive inverse of. In this column you will write given numbers, and here additive inverse. See that how you will do. Minus 83 will have plus 83, plus 245 minus 245. Nothing you will do, just you will change the sign. Whatever sign they are having, you will put the opposite sign of that given number. See that plus 20 minus 20, minus 1005 plus 1005, minus 145 plus 145. In this way this question number 6 also completed. It was our property. With fourth number property we have learned this one. Okay, now last one property. It was last property. Okay. Now we are moving to the last question. Now see that beta, question number 7. That is last question of this exercise. Subtract 23 from minus 45. You have given, always you will give the numbers, means from the number after from you will give this as 1 and first number you will give as 2. Why I am doing this? You just try to understand. Subtract. Okay. You will first write minus 45. And for subtraction, what sign you use? Minus. Put minus and then write the second number, that is 23. Understood or not? And 23 is having no sign. So the number which has no sign, it means that it always plus sign in front of that number. Now just apply the rules of plus into minus. Plus into minus. For opening this bracket is equal to minus. So put minus here, resultant sign, and it will be 23 and first value will remain as same, minus 45. Okay. Now the addition and subtraction rule of integers will be applied. Both the number having same sign. What you will write? Two same sign numbers are always added with their sign in the resultant value. In the resultant value means whatever sign they will have, we will put that sign in their final answer. See that 5 plus 3, 8, 4 plus 2, 6. Both the numbers having minus sign, so final answer will have also minus sign. In this way, just again one more time try to understand this question. What we have given, subtract 23 from minus 45, and I am going to tell you that what the most of the students are doing during examination time. They are doing this question like that, 23 minus 45, that is totally wrong. Okay. From means from numbers always comes first. Okay. Then first number always comes in a second if from condition is given. If already subtraction along with the subtraction sign they are given, then there will be no need to do like that. Okay. But here if these kinds of subtraction are given, then we will do in this way. Then first, that's why we have given these numbers 1 and 2, means first number will come at the which we have given one number, that will come in the first position, minus 45. Then for subtraction what sign comes? Minus, and this number having plus value, so keep it inside of bracket. Now apply the rules of multiplication or opening. How we are opening the brackets while two sign having, the two signs are together. Plus here first sign is minus, so you will put minus. Minus into plus is always minus. So in place of these two signs now minus will come, and this 23 and this will be minus 45. Now the addition and subtraction rule of integers will be applied. That two same sign numbers are always added with their sign in the resultant value. Now add them and whatever answer will come, that will be your answer. And because both the number having minus sign, so in your result also minus sign will come. Okay. Now just see one more part of this question I am doing. It was A part of this question. Now finally D part I am doing. Minus 11 from 111. 111. Again from is there, so you will put 1 here and here 2. Okay. Now first write this number 111. Then you have to do suppression, put minus sign. Then write second number in bracket, minus 11. Now you can see that here minus into minus is equal to plus. So in place of these two signs, just put plus, and here 11. This one will remain same. Now this is simple. Here also two same sign. two same sign numbers. Two same sign numbers are always added with their sign. See that now 1 plus 1, 2, 1 plus 1, 2, 122, and both the numbers having plus sign, so this will be your answer. Now see that beta, just enough for today's class, and you will complete the rest of the part of the question number 7. If you will have doubt, you will send me your doubt personally to my WhatsApp number, and whatever your doubt will be there, I will remove that doubt. I will try to remove that doubt. And then next thing is that many of the students, they are not giving their attendance. Whether they are attending the class or not, it is must to attend the class and put your attendance also. We already told you by which sign how you have to put your attendance, because we are marking your attendance. Not only the class teachers but subject teachers are also marking your attendance. So follow the rules whatever the school had decided, and up to next class, till that you will complete exercise 1.2. okay, and if you will have doubts before that class, you will put your doubt in my personal WhatsApp number, so that we can remove your doubt in the next class. Thank you, and Jai Gurudev to all of you.